I actually bought that when the first one she saw. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to the China Mall. Hi everybody, I came to the China Mall today. More information in the video. Okay, so let's quickly go through the things I got. So like 2 cedi 50 pesos is like the ish in China Mall. Charlie, BBR 3 cedi 50 pesos, 4 cedi 50 pesos, 2 cedi 50 pesos. Yeah, don't go me. This is 1500 ml. I got this one for 6 cedis. So you're calculating with me, yeah. So 6 cedis like that. And then I got a funnel. This funnel costs like 4 cedi 50 pesos. I like it because it has a handle, so even if you're using it, you don't have to be holding this part like this. You could hold the handle and comfortably use it. I got some measuring spoons. So all of the spoons have their respective measurements over here, starting from 7.5 ml up to 1 cup. So like, I like it because it's colorful. It's very colorful and it's a lot in it. China Mall. Okay, so that's it. Tiny, mini mall. 5 for 2 cedi 50 pesos. One of the things I got that was a little expensive, okay, is this cake mold. I got the cake mold for 12 cedis. Yes, 12 cedis. You can use to do your cake and your cookies and all of those things sound like. Then I got some of these kitchen tools, right? Used for mixing and used for, like, you know, most of you who do cake and those things, you understand the use of these plastic spoons. One of this was this one, okay, the golden one was 5 cedi and then the plastic one was 4 cedi 50 pesos. So team 4 cedi 50 pesos, we reign, yeah. And I got some art papers, like, yeah, art papers for my craft. So this is 5 cedis for this and 5 cedis for this. So Wakanda forever. More crafts work to be done. And then I got another funnel. This funnel looks like it's multi-purpose, okay? So you use it and then it sieves whatever you want to, like whatever you put in, it sieves it for you. Okay, my brother got this UV shield anti-fog swimming goggles for my brother, yeah. What did you get from the mall?
Oh, I got a lot of stuff, you know.
Okay.
A lot of stuff, yeah. Like cool gadgets and all that.
Okay. Can you share with us some of the things you got from the mall?
Okay. I got this soon.
Okay. How much did it cost?
I think a couple of bucks though, I think.
Couple of bucks?
Yeah.
Okay.
10 cedis.
Okay.
And I got a swim cap for like about 7 cedis, yeah. And yep.
What else did you get?
I got a camera, yep. I got a camera.
Okay.
It's amazing. No one hear this. Got this camera from the China Mall.
Okay.
You wanna know the price though?
Yes. How much did you get that?
It's like 20 cedis, yeah.
20 cedis for the camera.
It's a Nikon B40, yeah, 20 cedis.
Okay.
The lens actually 16, yeah.
Wow.
16 cedis. It's actually a
The
macro
lens is 16 cedis?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a macro lens, you know, a correct lens. So.
Okay.
So, I think it's a great place to get stuff, so like some cool gadgets and tech stuff now.
And then, this is the last thing I bought. Sincerely, I didn't want to buy it because when I heard the price, I was like, I mean, it was food plastic bag. And the price was 2 cedi 50 pesos. So I'm like, what's plastic bag is 2 cedi 50 pesos? I was thinking it was a foil, like aluminium foil. Then again, I was like, okay, let me just buy it. So I bought it and I came home. And then I want to show you how it's like. Okay? So, apparently, this is how it looks like. Food bag or food wrap. So it's this way. You tear, and after you tear, you open here. So you can put your food in it and keep it in the fridge. Banku lovers or pounded yam lovers, or the pounded banku stuff, you could just put it in here. Then you do like this. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. This costs like 1 cedi, 1 Ghana cedi. And then I'm tired. I got these gloves. Gloves. Let me open it so we see. Oh, I love the color. It looks so feminine. So kitchen gloves. Hey. Okay. I'm looking like some Chinese woman, ready for kung fu panda. Okay, so here's it. How much did I get this? I've forgotten, but it's not more than 7 cedis for the pair. It's not more than 7 cedis, and they have so many colors. I chose pink. We've come to the end of our China Mall adventure. One thing I want to say to us entrepreneurs is like, China Mall is being very strategic because their location is right behind the Westhills Mall and adjacent the Melcom. When you're looking for a location for your business, you have to be very, very strategic. Find a place that is close to your competitors. I mean, when you have competition and then it's healthy competition, it helps you build your brand. So don't be afraid of your competitors. Get closer to your competitors. Find a way that is going to give you a competitive advantage in everything that you do. 3 minutes away from the Westhills Mall. It was so fun. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and then like. Bye bye.